everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and it is time for day 3 of 100 days of junk journal page layouts. It is August 3rd, and you still have time to get it for 20% off up until August 15th. I was thinking, yeah, August 15th, and it will be about $7.96, I think. With 20% off. And this is a digital printable booklet on my Ko-Fi site. I did a preview of it, and it has diagrams in the back to kind of help you out, and it has the instructions for each of the 100 days, a table of contents, etc. Also, Jovi at Creating with Jovi is co-hosting this with me along this 100-day journey. So every day for 100 days, we will be posting the next day's page. And these are just suggestions. You can go wild with them, but these are a starting point, especially if you need one. And these will be available to you also I put them in the description below in the video description. So FYI, if you don't purchase the booklet, you can still get the instructions from the video. There's also a playlist, so don't miss that. Let's jump into the belly band page. So the supplies you would need would be your journal page that you're going to use, your scrap paper or fabric strip, a tag or journaling card, glue and tape, and then your steps to create it are all right here. Also, there are some creative variations, and then in the back in the appendix is the diagram. These are basic diagrams, so to make a belly band, right here is day 3. So you can find it like that. All right, let's jump in. So what I'm using is a background page from my Gathered Treasures kit. It's not quite out yet, but you're getting a little preview here. I'm going to use some black cardstock with a little solar spray on it, golden hour. It's really, really pretty, and it reflects this beautiful gold color very vibrantly. I'm thinking of it as like sunshine as they're walking in the woods. And so then I have Ren and Pip, and we're going to put them on a little envelope and put the envelope on the belly band so that we can put things not only behind the belly band but in the envelope. So really and truly, all you need to do for day 3 is glue down your belly band, and you would glue it on both sides so that you have a tuck spot in the middle. That's your belly band. Before I add it to my page, I'm going to glue down my envelope. I'm going to glue down the flap so that the pocket stays open. And you don't have to do this part. This is just something I wanted to do to make it a little bit different. Then I'm going to glue down Ren and Pip right in the middle. And I'm going to put some words on there. It's kind of my thing. So, and I could make it more decorated, but I'm just going to just do this. So we're going to do Listen to Your Heart. It will show you the way. So we're going to put that like that and give it a little of the vintage photo ink, make it look older. Now for me, I'm just going to glue this down right here in the middle of the belly band. So just want to put that right there, and that will hold that in place. Then I'll have a pocket here, and my belly band will allow me another tuck spot. So then I'm just going to put this here by gluing the sides just like the instructions tell you, and we're just going to put it in the middle of the page. Now this would be my page in my journal if I were putting it in my journal. I'm putting this in my idea book, but now I want to put it in my journal, so now I'm gonna have to make another one, but that's okay. And so Ren has not been properly introduced yet, but she looks for everything and sees it through eyes of wonder. And so I can put my tag here in this little envelope. and I can slide something behind it as well for my belly band. So that is day 3 of 100 days of junk journal page layouts. If you enjoyed this and you love this kind of content, I encourage you to subscribe and hit that little bell and join us for this 100 days of junk journal page layouts. Don't forget to go check out Jovi's channel, and the playlist is linked below. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.